So, first question I'm going to ask is, what is a food group? Do you know?
A food group is like wheat and grain is like a food group, and like dairy is one food group. Protein, dairy, vegetables, fruit, and stuff like that.
Awesome. So, do you have an example of a healthy snack?
Apples.
Do you like eating apples?
Yeah, I have apples wrapped in deli ham in my lunch today.
Ooh, I like that. Okay, so how do you tell if you are hungry? How do you know?
Well, first I get I don't feel very well, and then start I don't know, it just doesn't feel very good. So
Your stomach kind of hurt? That's how I feel too. How do you tell if you're full?
Oh, my stomach really hurts.
Yeah, you don't want to eat anymore?
Mhm.
That's how I feel. And then, what's your favorite and least favorite food?
My favorite food, I don't really have one, but my favorite food is probably pasta and chocolate. And my least favorite food is probably like green beans, peas, asparagus, and stuff like that. It's not my favorite.
Okay, so now we're going to do the faster thing, like I said. And so the F stands for fruits and vegetables. So I put a bunch of pictures of fruit and vegetables. Do you have a favorite fruit and favorite vegetable?
Favorite fruit would probably be if it's on here, would be a watermelon or peppers. I haven't really had peppers, and I don't know.
Yeah, I really like peppers too. I would say my favorite fruit is maybe strawberries.
Yeah, I like strawberries too.
Yeah. Okay, so the A stands for always drink water. Do you drink a lot of water during the day?
Sometimes that's why I brought a water bottle, because I cough a lot. So
yeah, that's how I am. And it helps like after pee when you're sweaty and then you're really thirsty.
Yeah, because you don't have to wait in a long line. And
Yeah.
You only get 3 seconds of water.
Yeah, and then you can have water all day. So that's nice. And then S stands for start with breakfast. Do you eat breakfast every day?
In the morning, I usually get one waffle with Nutella on it, or like a pastry with strawberries in it with icing on the top.
Ooh, those sound very delicious.
I got the icing one today. It's really good.
Do you get it from school?
No, at home.
Your mom make it?
No, I make it sometimes, and sometimes my mom does.
Ooh, you make it yourself. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, and then the T stands for think protein. Do you know what protein is?
Protein is like something that gets you energized.
And it's a lot of meat or fish. Do you have a favorite kind of meat that you like?
My favorite meat would probably be like shrimp. It's really good. My mom hates it each time we cook it. Sometimes we're thinking like she hates bacon and shrimp. So one night we're thinking like we can make bacon wrapped shrimp, but that doesn't sound very good. I don't like bacon, but I do like shrimp.
Well, maybe you can just eat the shrimp part then.
It's like a chocolate-covered strawberry. You eat the chocolate, but not the strawberry.
Okay. So the E stands for eat often, and that means like having breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. So do you have a favorite of those three?
My favorite of all three would be like lunch, SpaghettiOs, which is really good, which Miss Ballinger likes. For breakfast would be like waffle with Nutella. And then for dinner, I'd probably say shells with shrimp.
Ooh, that sounds really good. I've never had that. Well, do you have a favorite meal?
Favorite meal would probably be brunch, because you could have both sometimes. Is at not Waffle House. At IHOP, you can get like a fruit bowl for like breakfast, and like you could get like a little sandwich for like lunch too.
Mix them both. I like that too.
Yeah, you can also get that at Denny's.
Okay, and then the R stands for rest and recover. Do you like sleeping?
Yeah.
You sleep?
My mom wanted me to be late yesterday, as I was coughing most of the night till like 11 or 3. And then
So you didn't get a lot of sleep?
No, she wanted me to stay home and rest for a few more hours and then come to school. But if I did that, I would miss the field trip.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't even know we had a field trip yesterday, and I didn't want to miss it at school.
Yeah.
I really like it.
Well, sometimes it's important to get our rest and so that we like aren't tired at school too.
Yeah, sometimes I'm tired and sometimes I'm not.
That's how I feel. But if you get a good enough sleep, I'm usually...
ready to work.
Yeah, exactly. All right.